Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart. I found the brand new Cyborg Jurassic versus the Velociraptor. I'm glad Spin Master finally gave us a Cyborg after how many years. Jurassic versus Velociraptor, guys, is the renders. Back, and then Mayhem is the one I want next. Re-releases those, re-releases, but the Mayhem is where it's at. Series 36, Real Trucks for Action Monster Jam. Further ado, let's go and open it. Ooh, okay. Let's get to the Jurassic Attack first because it's a new casting. A new paint job. Oh, that is so amazing. Look at this, guys. That's a beauty. Jurassic Attack Monster logo. The Cyborg, that's so cool. The black horns. The teal fin. Let's say red line in the front though. There it is, guys. Oh man, that is so cool. It has a teal chassis, dark blue roll cage, dark blue rims and beadlocks, black tires, Jurassic Attack on the back. That is so cool. Isn't that cool, guys? I love the cyborg aesthetic it has. And of course we know Velociraptor, which I'll show next. Normal orange and purple Velociraptor. We got re-release. Dark rims and beadlocks. Dark orange rims and beadlocks. Orange roll cage, purple chassis. There it is. Monster Jam. Team Throttle Racing on the side. Velociraptor, top of it. So that was a double pack I got today, guys. I got one more truck to go. Peace out.